In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage files on Hostinger's hPanel efficiently. If you're new to hosting or just a bit unsure about how to handle your website files, this guide will ensure you have a smooth experience. To begin, open your web browser and head over to hostinger.com. Once the web page has loaded, look for the Login button. It should be prominently displayed, guiding you to enter your account details. Go ahead and input your credentials to gain access to your hPanel. This is your central hub for managing all your hosting services, so it's crucial to familiarize yourself with how to navigate it. Once logged in, direct your attention to the Websites section. Here, you'll see a list of the domains associated with your account. Carefully go through the list and identify the domain you wish to manage today. Next to each domain, you'll notice a dashboard button. Click this button. It will take you to the specific dashboard for your chosen website, where you can handle various tasks related to its management. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to access the File Manager. Look to the left sidebar, which serves as a navigation panel filled with different management options. Scroll down until you spot the section labeled Files. You're getting closer. Simply click on File Manager to proceed. Opening up this section will lead you to a web-based file explorer. Imagine it as your control room for dealing with all the files and folders associated with your website. Here, you gain the capability to view and manage your data efficiently, whether you need to upload new files, edit existing ones, or even organize by renaming or deleting unnecessary elements. You can also move files as needed, offering you flexibility in maintaining a clean and structured file directory. This feature is incredibly powerful because it eliminates the need for any additional software, making file management accessible and convenient directly through your web browser. It's also worth noting that getting comfortable with the File Manager will significantly enhance your website management skills. The more time you spend tinkering and becoming familiar with this tool, the better you'll become at performing complex tasks with ease and accuracy. Additionally, adapting these skills and becoming proficient can save you a lot of time and effort in the future, especially if you manage multiple websites or expect to in the coming years. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to practice what you've learned today. Each step you take adds to your confidence and capability in managing your own online space. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and happy hosting!